Hey, I'm Shaz. Today we're going to build bookshelves for a nursery.
When I started this project, I knew I wanted at least 2 wall-mounted shelves that were 24 inches wide. I used some particle board from a previous project and cut 6 strips at 5 inches wide. The rest of these cuts will make sense when we start assembly of the shelf. I took all of the end caps and put a small curve on it to make it look better, and then used a chop saw to cut it all out since I couldn't find my jigsaw. Next, it was time to sand all the pieces down before assembly. After all of the surfaces were sanded down, I used wood glue and brad nails to put everything together. The nails were just used to hold everything in place until the glue dried. I forgot to cut the front and the back pieces to size, so I pulled out the miter saw and quickly made those cuts. After the glue had dried, I sanded the entire piece one last time to prep it for paint. I started with 2 coats of primer before applying the paint. Since this is for my daughter's room, I decided to go with a purple glitter spray paint for the final look. I absolutely hate it, so it's time to change the color. Apparently, I wasn't recording the prep or the first coat of paint. I started by sanding both shelves with 80 grit and moving up to 320 grit to smooth out all of the texture from the glitter. Then I applied the first coat of paint. After the paint had dried, I went through and patched any imperfections left over from the glitter paint. I added one final coat of paint, then it was ready for installation.
Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you would like to see more, you can see more of my content here, or we have a team of creators, which you can check out here. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.